Hi friends, this is Naresh. In this class, I am going to explain about engineering drawing. And today's topic is construction of hyperbola. In this class, I will explain how to construct rectangular hyperbola and double ordinate and abscissa methods. Now coming to the problem. Point P is 40 mm and 30 mm from horizontal and vertical axis respectively. Draw hyperbola through it. Okay, in this question you have to draw a hyperbola by using given point P. Okay, the point P is at a distance of 40 mm from horizontal x-axis and 30 mm from vertical y-axis. Okay, first of all you have to locate that point P. Now these are the steps to construct the rectangular hyperbola. Okay, first of all you have to draw an imaginary vertical line like this, and then after you have to draw an imaginary horizontal line like this. This is origin, and then after you have to locate the point P at a distance of 40 mm from horizontal axis. Here this is horizontal axis, this is vertical axis. Okay, this x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so you have to locate that point P from 40 mm from horizontal axis. Okay, so I consider 40 mm distance from horizontal axis like this and extend the line. Now I consider the 30 mm distance from vertical axis. Okay, like this, and extend this line. The corresponding intersecting point is named as point P. So this is our required point P at a distance of 40 mm from x-axis and 30 mm from y-axis. Okay, then after you have to divide this vertical line into some equal parts. Here I divided this vertical line into 4 equal parts. Okay, I divided this vertical line into 4 equal parts. Now divide this horizontal line into some equal parts. So I divided this horizontal line into 3 equal parts like this. Now extend this horizontal line like this. Now extend this vertical line like this. Now join all these vertical points. To the origin O. Okay, join all these points like this. Extend these lines up to meet the horizontal line. Now join all these horizontal points to the origin and extend like this. Okay, and these points name as 1 2 3 and 1 2. Okay, now draw vertical lines. Downward vertical lines from these horizontal points. Okay, draw an vertical line from point 1 like this, and draw a vertical line from point 2 like this. Draw a vertical line from point 3 like this. Similarly, you have to draw an horizontal line from point 1. Now draw a horizontal line from point 2. Okay, now similarly draw a horizontal line from point 3. Okay, you have to locate the corresponding intersecting points. Okay, this is intersecting point of line 1 1, and this is the intersecting point of line 2 2, and this is the intersecting point of line 3 3. Similarly, draw vertical lines from point 1, draw vertical line from this point 2. Okay, now draw horizontal lines from these vertical points. Draw a horizontal line from this point. Similarly, draw a horizontal line from this point. Okay, locate the corresponding intersecting points. These are the intersecting points. Now draw a smooth curve through these intersecting points like this. Okay, this thick line is our required shape of hyperbola. Okay, this is the final shape of our required hyperbola by using rectangular or equilateral hyperbola method. Okay, in this question you have to construct a hyperbola by using given point. Okay, here the given point is P. Okay, at a distance of 40 mm from x-axis and 30 mm from y-axis. Okay, now coming to the another problem. This is a double ordinate and abscissa method. The question is draw a hyperbola when its double ordinate is 90 mm, abscissa is 35 mm, and half the transverse axis is 45 mm. Okay, first of all you have to draw a imaginary horizontal line. Okay, you have to draw an imaginary horizontal line like this and locate the points O, B, Q at a distance of 45 mm. Okay, you have to mark this point O at left side end and mark point B at a distance of 45 mm from point O. Then after you have to mark a point Q at a distance of 35 mm. Okay, from given question, from given data, double ordinate is 90 mm and abscissa is 35 mm and transverse axis is 45 mm. So OB, therefore OB I consider as transverse axis, that is 45 mm, and BQ line I consider this as abscissa. Okay, so this is 45 mm transverse axis and 35 mm abscissa line. Okay, then after you have to draw a double ordinate. So you have to consider a rectangle like this. You have to construct a rectangle of dimensions base 35 mm and height equal to 90 mm. This 90 mm is equal to the double ordinate, length of the double ordinate. So from here to here the length is 90 mm. So from here to here the length is 45 mm and from here to here the length is 45 mm. The base is 35 mm. Okay. Now divide this horizontal line into some equal parts. Here I divided this horizontal line into 5 equal parts. So that means 35 by 5 equal to 7 mm. So each part is equal to 7 mm, 7 mm, 7 mm, 7 mm, 7 mm and 7 mm. Okay. Similarly, divide this horizontal line into same number of equal parts. 7 mm, 7 mm, 7 mm, 7 mm. Okay. Now divide this vertical line into same number of equal parts. So therefore from here to here the length is 45 mm. 45 by 5 parts, that is 9 mm. Each part is 9 mm. So 9 mm, 9 mm, 9 mm and 9 mm. Okay, similarly divide this vertical line into same number of parts. There is a 9 mm, 9 mm, 9 mm, 9 mm. Okay. Now join all these vertical points. Now join these vertical points to the point O. Okay, and join all these horizontal points to the point B like this. So here I join the point 1 to point B and 1 to O. Okay, this point is a corresponding intersecting point of 1 line. Okay, now similarly join point 2 to B, 2 to O. Okay, 2 to O and 2 to B. Similarly join points B to O, sorry, 3 to O and 3 to B like this. Similarly 4 O, 4B, 4 dash O, 4 dash B, 3 dash O, 3 dash B, 2 dash O, 2 dash B, 1 dash O, 1 dash B. Mark all corresponding points, corresponding intersecting points like this. Join a smooth curve through these intersecting points like this. So this this thick line is our required hyperbola. Okay, this thicker line is our required hyperbola by using double ordinate and abscissa method. Okay, here in this method, from given data the length of the double ordinate is 90 mm. That means the height of this rectangle is 90 mm and abscissa is 35 mm. The length of the abscissa is 35 mm. That means the length of horizontal line, this horizontal line is 35 mm. Okay, and half of the transverse axis is 45 mm. That means from here to here the length is 45 mm. Okay, this is our required shape of hyperbola. Okay, this curve is our required hyperbola. Okay, thank you.